So the sidechain on demand feature actually was initially thought of by Rong, and he can speak more to that later on. But basically, the idea is that you want to be able to spin up a sidechain on demand whenever you need to, do some work with it, and then when you're done, you can pretty much like get rid of it, right? Sort of like how, if you know how Amazon services work when it comes to something like a Lambda service, where you can utilize their service where you don't know how the code is being run, but you just deploy the code and then Amazon just runs that code somewhere on some server out there, does the job, gives you the result, and then you're done. And then that server is that won't be used after that. So sort of like that, but it's sort of dealing with the blockchains, our main chain sidechain structure, even more than sidechain on demand. Actually, what may be more meaningful in the near term is maybe a pluggable sidechain. So what that means is right now, if you wanted to add like a new sidechain, then there's a lot of process involved. There's a lot of overhead, and because there's a lot of things that need to be taken care of. So for instance, if you wanted to add a second Ethereum sidechain or second DID sidechain, you wouldn't need a second DID sidechain, but let's say you do need it, you do want it. So right now it's kind of a difficult process because you need enough nodes out there who are running these sidechain nodes, this second sidechain node processes, so that they can reach consensus whenever someone tries to utilize that sidechain, right? So, you know, if we can make that process very, very easy, where sort of like plug and play like thing, where, you know, you make it so easy that, you know, in a matter of minutes, anyone could easily test deploying a new sidechain on their own private environment, and then make sure everything works, and then propose to Cyber Republic, because addition of new sidechains have to go through Cyber Republic consensus now. And so after the consensus is reached from Cyber Republic council members and the community, then it could be easily added. So if we can simplify that process, I see a lot of value in that in the near term. Obviously, I'm not saying sidechain on demand is not a fascinating thing, but I think we're kind of you know, still far away from that kind of technology, but it's very, very, very fascinating to even go towards that, you know, towards that vision. So.